Hi guys and welcome to my channel please. আজকের ভিডিওটা হলো all about Navami's makeup. I hope that you all have watched my previous two video like the Shoptam and the Ashtami makeup. If you have not yet watched that videos guys, I'll link it over here or in the description box. You can have a watch over there. Both of the makeup are very simple. So as today's will be like the process will be very easy, I will say. I will try to create a smoky eye look. Like আমার আমার মতে নবমী মানে you should totally go out over there, like do the best of your makeup that you can do. So I will try to recreate smoky eye look. I hope that I can do that guys, and let's just begin with today's video. I've already moisturized my face. I'm just gonna use the Dabur Glowberry spray on my face. I just really love this. It's really refreshing. So guys, প্রথম স্টেপ যেটা আমি ফলো করব সেটা হবে আইস. সো আমি প্রথমে আইটা ক্রিয়েট করব, লাইক আই লুকটা ক্রিয়েট করব, বিকজ অ্যাজ আই অলরেডি মেনশন I'll be doing a smoky eye look. So I don't want that fall out on my face after applying all the base makeup. So আমি প্রথমে আই মেকআপ লুকটা করে নিই. So let's just begin. Smoky eye look, it's really tough. I mean, I don't create those smoky eye look very often, but I will try to recreate it today. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm use করছি from ELF, and it's a nude to nude palette. In palette I will use all the matte color from here, like the brown tone one, to give the transition color for my smoky eyes. So প্রথমে আমি যেটা সবচেয়ে ডার্ক ব্রাউন কালার যেটা হয় ম্যাটে, সেটা আমি ইউজ করবো, and I'll just apply it on my eyes. And one more thing guys, I have not yet applied any eye primer. If you want, you can go ahead and apply an eye primer so that your makeup can last a long time, especially your eye makeup if you're creating a smoky eye look. And now the next product that I'm gonna use will be a little bit lighter than the previous color. I'm using the same brush and I'm gonna apply it on the crease, especially on the crease, because it's a transition look there. Whenever you're creating any smoky eye look, আমি যেটা দেখেছি, যেটা শিখেছি, আমি সেখান থেকে বলছি গাইস, মানে একটা ট্রানজিশন থাকলে ভালো লাগে। সো যেটা আমি নেক্সট প্রোডাক্ট ইউজ করবো সেটা হবে কালার পপ, অ্যান্ড ইটস অন দি শেড অফ ফ্রিস্কি কালার পপ সিঙ্গল আই শ্যাডো, আর আমি একটা ফ্ল্যাট আই শ্যাডো ব্রাশ ইউজ করবো. ইটস রিয়েলি গ্রেট. আই রিয়েলি লাভ দিস আই শ্যাডো কালার. এটা আমি অনেক, লাইক ইটস বিন আ ইয়ার সিন্স আই এম ইউজিং দিস ওয়ান, অ্যান্ড ইটস রিয়েলি গ্রেট. I don't know if you can see it or not guys, just look into it. It is so great. You don't, it's not light at all. A little bit on your eyeshadow can goes a long way, and I'm just gonna pat it throughout my, I'm just gonna pat it on the eyelids, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Again I'm gonna use the same light brown color, and again I will go into the crease, and I'm just gonna blend all into one. So as you can see, I'm almost done with my eyes. So next step যেটা আমি করবো, যতগুলি fallout আছে, because this eyeshadow, the color pop one, is a glitter eyeshadow, so it has got a lot of fallout. আমি জাস্ট একটা ওয়েট ওয়াইপ নিয়ে নিচের জায়গাটা ক্লিন করে দিব, যেন ফাউন্ডেশনের সাথে মিক্স না হয়ে যায় সেজন্য. Yes. So I'm done with it. So the foundation that I'm going to use is from the Nykaa anti-pollution foundation, skin shield. Yeah, skin shield. আমি এই ফাউন্ডেশনটাকে, I will not say I praise this foundation, but আমার এটা খুব পছন্দ. It's only because it don't have a high coverage. I can go with my concealer. I'm a huge concealer hoarder. I love concealer using. And আমি ফাউন্ডেশনটা finger দিয়ে apply করবো. I'll not use any brushes. I'm just gonna go with my finger. Especially I believe when I'm using my finger to blend a foundation, it blends very easily. So guys, আমি ফাউন্ডেশনটা ব্লেন্ড করে নিয়েছি. The next step that I'm gonna follow is the concealer, because if you're wearing a smoky or dark eyes, concealer দিয়ে একটু ব্রাইটেন করাটাও দরকারি. সো দ্য কনসিলার দ্যাট আই এম ইউজিং ইজ L'Oreal Perfect Match. এটা লাইক ট্রু ম্যাচ, এটা আমার পারফেক্ট, ফর মি ইটস এ পারফেক্ট লাইক কনসিলার, এটা আমার খুবই পছন্দ। আর শেড সবকিছু আমি ডেসক্রিপশনে দিয়ে দেবো। ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু নো দি শেডস দ্যাট আই এম ইউজিং, you can go directly to the description box and you'll get this shade range and everything. So I will just put a little bit on under my eyes, and যে জায়গাগুলো আমি হাইলাইট করতে চাই ওখানে ইউজ করবো। Concealer paper I'm অনেকবার describe করেছি, it's a great one. So again I'm gonna use a buffed brush and I'm just gonna pat it out to blend the concealer. Now to set all of my base, I'm going to use the Lakme Rose Whitening Rose Powder. This powder is ekdomi whitening, like I will say shade range ni. Like it don't have any color to it. It's just a loose powder, and I love to set my full base using this powder. Especially it smell to amar খুবই পছন্দ, and it does the work very good. It price range অনেক cheap. So next যেটা আমি করতে যাব সেটা হলো bronzer. I'm gonna bronze my face up. So the bronzer that I'm gonna use is from the Migraine Pose HD Bronzer Duo Kit. আমার এটা favorite at the moment. It's so amazing. The color payoff টা অনেক ভালো. It takes the color very nicely. It give a flush to my face and it's just amazing. So I'm just gonna take the wet n wild powder brush. I'm gonna swirl it out and I'm just gonna bronze my face. I don't know you can see the change or not, guys. It's really amazing. I love the bronzer a lot. Next step that I'm gonna follow is the blush. So the blush that I'm gonna use is from the My Sugar Contour the Force Mini Blush on the Peach Break. I love sugar products, and this blush is one of my favorite because it's a peachy tone color যেটা আমার খুব পছন্দ এই টাইপের কালার্স গুলি। আর একটা জিনিস গাইজ আমি বলতে চাই, এই ব্লাশটা অনেক পাওয়ারফুল। I will say like it means that it has got a lot of color in it, so little bit on your brush will do the job. Next I'm gonna highlight my cheek. Next I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones, and for that again I'm gonna use the Sugar product. Is the Contour the Force Mini Highlighter on Champagne Champion. Sorry, Champion, and again it's a pearlescent highlighter, and you can see the amazing thing going on in this highlighter. So I'm gonna take the buff brush, even you can take a highlighter brush too. And the highlighter ta onek beshi sparkly, guys, so it's better you just dab and take whatever is required. I hope so the light catches the sparkle on my face. Next step যেটা আমি করতে যাব is mascara. Yeah, I don't want to forget mascara. So again I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara, only because I'm not wearing any kajal and eyeliners, and I want to make the eyes speak in this makeup. Yes, I just want to make the eyes speak in this makeup. So I'm gonna use this mascara. I really love this mascara. I've already mentioned thousands of times in the videos. Now I'm again gonna take the eyeshadow, the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and I'm shade brown color to niche under my eyes because using the foundation it has rubbed away. Next step that I'm gonna follow is my eyebrows. Definitely, again I'm using the Miniso eyebrow pencil. Miniso eyebrow পেন্সিলটাকে আমি একদমই ছাড়তে পারি না। It's like my life saver, and এটার পেন্সিল নিবটা এতই থিন যে এটাকে একদম প্রিসাইসলি তুমি তোমার আইব্রোজটাকে ড্র করতে পারো। And my eyebrows are done, and I'm really loving this makeup. The last step but not the least is the lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going to use is their Sugar Crayon lipstick on the shade 07 Boila. I love this lipstick. It's a nude lipstick, so it's perfect for a very heavy eye makeup. So I'm done with my makeup for Navami, and এখন আমি Navami puja দেখতে যেতে পারি. Definitely you can wear a very heavy earring if you're wearing something very special, or to Indian wear যদি যাচ্ছ, I will prefer to wear a very small earring and a heavy jewelry on my neck. So yeah, I hope that you have loved this makeup look. I'm going to closely দেখাতে চাই মেকআপটাকে. I know guys, the lights are not working according to me. I just want to let you all guys know how this makeup has came out. So just look into the light. I'm really impressed what I have created. Yes, I'm really impressed what I've created. I hope that you all have enjoyed this makeup look. Just look into the highlighter. Just look into the highlighter, guys. I'm looking in the screen. I'm loving the highlighter, and also I'm loving the eye makeup too. I hope that you all have enjoyed today's video, guys. If you all have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Till then, you all stay beautiful, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.